Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your phone number in the Binance app. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Binance app. Launch the Binance app on your phone. Step 2. Tap the Binance logo. At the top left corner of the home screen, tap the Binance logo to open the main menu. Step 3. Go to your account. From the menu, tap on your profile picture or username to access your account settings. Step 4. Tap on Security to go to the Security section of your account. Step 5. Find the phone number section. Under Security, look for the phone number section, then tap the arrow icon to expand the details. Step 6. Tap the Edit icon. Next to your current phone number, you'll see a pencil edit icon to the left of the trash bin icon. Tap it to begin changing your number. Step 7. Confirm your action. A message will pop up saying, "Are you sure you want to change your phone number?" Read the instructions carefully, then tap Continue. Step 8. Enter your new phone number. Type in the new phone number you want to use. Since my phone number is already linked to another account, I received an error. But you can still follow the process, get the verification code, then submit it. And that's it. That's how you change your phone number in Binance app. Thanks for watching.